Hey, what's up, Bargaining Pros? Hope you all doing great. So, YouTube recently launched a new feature, which is very important feature. Now you can add corrections to your YouTube videos after publishing. So let's read more about this. So, a new feature for YouTube creators will make it possible to add corrections to video after they go live. Previously, the only way to correct an error in an published video was to remove it, edit it, or re-upload it, or most creators pin the comment. So this is the only way earlier. So now, what YouTube has done, so YouTube's correction feature is a mix of old and new. It still requires creator to call out errors and provide clarification in the video description section. What's new with this launch is ability to draw attention to corrections during the video itself. With YouTube corrections, you can alert viewers when a particular moment in a video contains an error and link them to the description section where clarification is provided. When you add a correction to a YouTube video, viewers will see your card appear at the time of the error. So now let me show you the video. I just watched the video. So basically, he's explaining like earlier what was happening, like where we have like we can pin a comment on we can add note to the description. So now what
Pinning a
you
comment
can do.
or doing nothing of their already published videos. When a creator adds a correction to a video, viewers will see a card appear at the time of the error. The info
So like here you can see like if you made a correction here, so you can add a card and it will point all your corrections like this: example correction 1, example correction 2.
card teaser, signaling the presence of a correction, will show up once and only once at the first correction timestamp. Clicking on that card will expand the video description where the creator has provided a written correction or clarification. This will help prominently provide
So this way now you can like point users towards the correction, and this is quite important feature. Like so basically with this update they just updated a way to notify the visitor or draw attention to our correction to previously upload video. Quite impressive, and you can use this feature, and if you love, and do subscribe the channel to get notified when I upload more videos like this, and hope you enjoy my content. See you in the next video. Thank you.